Hey folks, today I want to show you how to customize your welcome message for your website AI agent using CrafterQ. Most AI chatbots start with something like this. Welcome, or how can I help you? It's actually a pretty lame user experience because the site visitor has to figure out what the agent knows, what it can do, what they're supposed to ask. With CrafterQ, you can create a complete welcome experience for your agent. Let me show you. Let me replace this simple message with some markdown text. CrafterQ supports full markdown, so you can have stylized text such as headings, you can link to images, you can have emojis, bold, italicized, etc. So you have complete control over that initial experience for your CrafterQ website agent. So instead of a blank chat window or a simple message, you can convey something that's immediately understandable to your audience. Don't make the visitors discover what the AI agent can do. Show them in your welcome message. Hope you find it useful. Have a great day.